You looking at getting some ideas for your art journals and want to see some new product just out on the market? I am going to be using the new Vagabond line, and we will be doing these awesome pictures from this package, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do in our art journal, so stay tuned. This gel matte medium dries clear, so you see me going throughout this image, but when it dries clear you won't see how much I put on. And it works great as a sealer, and it's probably one of my favorite products I use on different projects like this. So are you ready to see our finished project? Here it is. This is the final, and it looks probably a lot different than my last video, and I will show you some of what I did. We will focus first on Sir Vagabond. I added some of the stickles in copper because I thought I wanted to pick up a little bit that you can see in the stencil of the window behind, so I thought I might add some of that. I added glossy accents, which I think was in the video, on his hair and his mustache. And I added some gears in these two areas, and also in the middle. There was a gear that was part of the paper right there, but I thought I'd add another gear there just to give it some depth and dimension. I also went around the outside edges in a darker brown distress crayon and also a little bit of black to try and just give more of a darkness to it. So that is the Sir Vagabond. And when we go to, I'm guessing she'd be the lady, or maybe she is just a geisha. I'm not sure. I did add a little bit more on here as well. I added some stickles. I wanted to lighten this up and give it some shimmer, and I just did it on the one side. On the other side, I put a little bit more of the blue distress crayon and a little bit of the Inky Pool Fresco Finish paint, and you just used my finger and went around the outside edge. I added some gears. I put 3 along here, and they're still drying actually, and 1 in her hair because there was actually gears on the paper right there. I also added 2 right here as well. I love how this turned out. It's a very cool line, and normally not a line I would have saw myself buying, but when it comes to my art journals, it was a lot of fun to work with this one, and I thought it turned out pretty cool. What do you think? Do you like the Sir or the Lady better, and why? Tell me in the comments, and remember, every time you comment, you have a chance to win in my draw, which is every 20th of every month, for your chance to win some awesome prizes. So check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And if you have time, check out in the links down below some of my other media, which I have Facebook, I have Instagram, and I have a blog. I also have an Etsy page where you can check out all the awesome things I'm selling. Most of it is mixed media, but you might enjoy some of that. Thanks for watching, crafters, and have an awesome day.